Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Yumi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make shiokoji. Shiokoji is a traditional Japanese condiment made by fermenting koji with salt and water. It is used to marinate vegetables, tenderize meat and fish, and enhance the umami of the ingredients. So it's a magical seasoning. Okay, let's get started. Let's have a look at the ingredients. You just need rice koji, salt and water. I used dry rice koji. For more details, please see the description below. First, mix the rice koji and salt with your hands. I think it's better to do at least a few minutes. Add water and mix with a spoon. Place in a clean lidded container. And cover loosely but not tightly. Store at room temperature away from direct sunlight. You can see the rice koji has almost completely absorbed the water. If you think it's too dry, you can add a little bit water. Mix well with a spoon and do it once a day every day. After mixing well, flatten the surface and place the lid back on lightly. Keep doing this every day. This is the shiokoji after 1 week. Koji is falling apart quite nicely and smells sweet. The taste is still very salty but also a bit sweet, so you can use it if you want, but I will wait a few more days. This is the shiokoji on the 10th day. I can use it at this stage because the grains are falling apart and it has a nice sweet smell and saltiness too. Let's wait a couple more days. This is the shiokoji on the 14th day. The grains have broken down, the water content is moderate, and the saltiness is softened and smoothed out. It is now perfect to use. Shiokoji will change depending on the temperature and humidity. Takes normally a week in summer and between 10 to 14 days in winter. I'm sure you'll find out the best way to make it as you go along. In my next video, I would like to show you how to make pickles and chicken using shiokoji. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! ほなまたね!